in the fierce competition of e-commerce logistics. Sorting efficiency and accuracy are the keys to success, faced with the complex demands of logistics. How can we achieve efficient and precise sorting? Conlida Intelligent 3D Sorter 2.0 upgraded version is specifically designed for the sorting needs of e-commerce logistics, a state-of-the-art device integrating automation and intelligence. With advanced vision recognition technology, it quickly reads cargo information. The trolleys deliver goods precisely to designated spots, making sorting easy and accurate. The equipment features automatic calibration to reduce collisions during sorting, handling up to 2,000 items per hour, with a 50 boost in efficiency and an accuracy rate of 99.9%. It also excels in handling key tasks like store returns and cargo reallocation. Employees simply place goods on the conveyor belt for automatic sorting, eliminating the need for judgment or sequential operations. Real-time order data uploading ensures smooth and unobstructed order processing, easily managing sorting challenges during e-commerce peak seasons. The system's three-dimensional design meets various sorting scales, fully utilizing vertical space to save over 50% of floor area. It helps businesses comprehensively optimize their logistics processes. Want to improve sorting efficiency and gain a competitive edge? We're here to assist you.